Ayan guys, how to convert decimal into fraction. Meron tayong figure dito, 0.12. So, ang unang gawin nyo guys ay ilalagyan natin ng denominator ito, tapos laging fix yung 1, laging may 1 dyan. Tapos, i-move yung decimal point from left to the right, tapos kung ilang beses, yun yung dagdag nyo kung ilang beses, yun din yung 0 na. So, 1, 2. So, that is 1, 2. So, 12 over 100. So, ito pwedeng masimplify. 12 divided by 2, that is 6. 100 divided by 2, that is 50. So, pwede pa siyang masimplify, guys. 6 divided by 3, or 6 divided by 2, that is 3. 50 divided by 2, that is 25. So, 3 over 25 ang final answer natin. So, isimplify nyo lang, guys, hanggat hindi na pwedeng masimplify nyo yung final answer. Okay, guys? Ganun lang kabilis. Thank you so much.